Hello guys, welcome to Tech Job Career. Today update is from the NetApp. NetApp is hiring software engineer. Location is Bengaluru. This is a job ID. This is a detail about the company. You can read it. What are the responsibility of your role in software development in testing SDIT that demand for a strong automation skill with hand-on experience to able to test and qualify a system under test, contribute to test methodologies, plan automations. A person should have good understanding of test automation framework, scripting language that enable the person to carry out automated tests, who can trigger and report issues, design, deploy and maintain automated system tests to replicate real world scenarios, understand functional specification and system architecture to properly design feature test plans, review bug description, functional requirement and design document and incorporate them into test plans and cases. Possess strong communication skills who can articulate well to be able to work with an extended team consisting of developer and partner teams, work with support team to troubleshoot, reproduce customer impacting issues, proactive, positive attitude, a good team player, self-motivated and flexible. A person should able to willing to work with partner across geographical location, who is expected to collaborate to deliver on commitments. Now, what are the technical skills required for this job? I will request you to update your resume according to the job description. Please mention all these technologies if you know in your resume, because most of the candidate resume are not shortlisted due to lack of skills. Now let's start. A strong automation skill set who have hand-on experience with Python is a must. Basic knowledge about storage protocol, cloud domain, KES, data protection technique is preferable. Basic knowledge of networking protocol, TCP, IP, UDP, IP, VLAN, etc. is preferable. Experience in quality assurance testing, familiarity with automation test framework, sound knowledge in test design and test strategies. Education require 1 to 4 years of related experience with bachelor master's degree. Means if you have experience of 1 to 4 years with bachelor's or master's degree, you can apply for this job. This is a detail about the job. Apply link is given in the description. If you have any problem in applying, please comment. I will help you on that. Thank you.